Hi, my name's Rio. I've been lashing for about 4 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to improve your timing as a lash artist. One of the most important things is going to be practice. When I first started, I was probably doing 1 to 2 clients a night after work, and I wasn't really getting my timing down. Then when I started at LivBay and I was seeing 4, 5, 6 clients a day, I was able to jump in. So really grab onto anyone you can. Friend, mom, sister, brother, boyfriend, husband, uncle, I don't care. Grab people, mannequin heads, anything that you can do, even working out on a sponge sometimes can help with that too. But anyone that you can practice on will help with your timing. Another good tip to improve your timing would be taping up the layers of the lashes. So sometimes it's really hard when you're just trying to lash in between each layer and trying to isolate really well. Taking some of the sensitive tape, detacking it on the back of your hand, and taping up the layers to expose all those bottom layers will help a ton with your timing. If you do want a video on how to tape up, go ahead and click the link above. Another really important component to speeding up your lash time is having really good tweezers. If all the tweezers you have are super old, maybe covered in glue, maybe a little bit bent, they're not going to be the best for you. Getting a good pair of tweezers with a really good sweet spot that you can rely on for every single client is really going to help you out. My favorite tweezers are Rainbow Baby Jr., Vegas Nights, and Magic Mike. Rainbow Baby Juniors are best for volume and mega for sure. I think the most important tip for improving your timing is having your clients take lash naps. Nothing's worse than when your clients are talking, moving around, fluttering their eyes really hard because they're in the middle of telling you a crazy story. Have them calm down a little bit, maybe offer them a lip mask, tell them to take a little nap, and let you get to work. The longer you're doing it, the easier it will become for you to lash while your clients are having those crazy conversations. But when you're first starting and you're really trying to get your timing down, having them lay still and let you get to work is going to be the easiest thing to help you. These are my favorite 4 tips for increasing your lash speed. If you have any tips, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it brought a ton of value to you. If you're looking to become a certified lash artist, go to livbaylashclass.com and find us coming to a city near you.